Makikistorya ko ninyo. I think God was somewhere else when the typhoon hit. Puro patay na asdalan. Hantod karon. Mga tao, wala elektrisidad, way kaon, way tubig, ang tanang patay na asdalan, ang mga tao katanaw na sa langit. I really do not know. The president had been there. Marrowas was there. I would suggest that, any suggestion lang, baka abot doon na, I do not mean to a state of calamity is not enough. There has to be a state of emergency because there is no local government functioning. Yung inaasahan nila na police, army, pati mga social workers, taga-gobyerno, lahat sila biktima, lahat sila may patay. Pati police, pati army doon patay. So there is no city government functioning. Hindi naman ako nag-ano, pero as a Filipino, I have to say something. Ang mga patay na sa dalan, I said, I do not mean to be, God must have been somewhere else or he forgot that there is a planet called Earth. Hindi ko malaman kung iiyak ako. I cannot shout in anger because you cannot be mad at anybody there. Maraming mga taga-Davao na nagbibigay ng pangalan to check. Walang barangay doon, walang gumagalaw. Ang mga tao parang zumbis naglalakad sa daan ng humingi ng pagkain. Anak ka na kaligo itong buhay na ito. Pulis na nga ito, uniforme, patay. But pasabot, ang tanang tao nga ito, di makabuhat sa ilang trabaho, kay biktima silang tanan. Gusto nga, you have to, Capitol, you have to help. Wa sila kibaw eh. Sila mismong silingan, wa sila nangamatay ng Pilipino di atuan ninyo. Kasi pagkaon na lang. Alam mo na ako sa kanila, even if they wanted to retreat and seek shelter, take off ko sa helicopter, ang takbuban is a plateau. Patak kayo ang bukid. Tsaka mga 50 kilometers mo dagan sila. Wa nila kadaganan. Anak, plateau. So, wala kit sila yung mga ito. Ang katong akong gipada itong the other night, we were arrived Tacloban just this afternoon because they had to negotiate their way and may na sila, naigdaman sila da. Atong 911 kompleto na i-cutter. So, you got nila hinay-hinay, nag-abot sila. I think we are the first, but I'm not saying that we are the only one who was helping. Katotong tuang ka to, it's only good for about 3 to 4 days. Mubag down to. Mubag down to tungkol sa pagkaon, ang ilang kasilyas, asas po sila, human beings. They have the needs. Walay klarong pagkaon nga to, walay klarong kasilyas o asa. I expect nga on the 3rd or 4th day mo reklamo na to. So, ang akong gusto, ang mga to nga to, I'm not trying to be funny, guys. Kanang mo handle o patay. Kadaghan nga itong apparently no one is ready to just pick up God, they're decaying. You must remember Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So tama gitong akong decision Friday, Saturday, pagtanaw na ko Stevie, ingnan tamong I told the Davaoenos city residents, we have to help. Maski na papano kasi ano kalit, we have to help.